Hello, 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 everybody. How we doing tonight? I forgot to throw away my garbage. I have to just kind of do the whole stream with the garbage sitting right here. What's good? What's good? Happy Sunday. Most of us got to go to work tomorrow, unfortunately, but that's okay. Let's see. I gotta share the stream, share the stream, share the stream. Bam. It's Sunday night. We're chilling. We're vibing. Daily close happened already. Billy said people gotta sleep. Ain't no rest for the wicked, Billy. What's going on, Fahid? Happy Sunday. We pumping. It's getting pumpy here. Let's fucking go. I learned some stuff from our stream last night. Apparently long movie clips aren't okay. Netflix is a little stingy. But I got that cut out and we got our stream back up. So we're good. We're good. We're alright. But we're getting some big fat green candles here, guys. Let me zoom out a little bit. It looks pretty fucking awesome. Look at that fractal. It's just the juiciest. This stupid little bull flag that we drew, courtesy of Hoffs. The bull flag is not stupid. Hoff suggested it, and he was right. It wasn't a bull flag. We broke out. We're continuing to ascend to the heavens. Let me go share the stream on Twitter really quick. See if we can get some more folks in here. We're going to talk about cryptocurrency. We're in it for the tech, guys. Let's see, Hoff said, did you just go live? Jordan was wrong. What did he say? Hoff said he has a movie trailer for me to look at. What was Jordan wrong about? Yeah, man. The fractal speaks. It's alive. It's alive! We're getting a little theatrical today. I'm gonna turn the light off. I like it when it's dark in here. Makes me feel like a fucking cave troll. Trading meme coins, dark MAGA hat and shit. Reading articles to my friends. Fahid said I didn't buy any dips today. Hoff said, yes, he said rising wedge. Where? Rising wedge? We've been in a falling channel for forever. We got these 3 points of confluence. The middle one is literally just this stupid little, like, poke right there. Drew, what's going on, Drew? Happy Sunday. Drew was so angry at Jordan today. What happened? I missed it. I was out grocery shopping, guys. I missed the juice. I missed the lore. Catch me up on the lore. The name of his stream was literally Blood Red. Ugh. See, I don't like to be biased in my stream names. It's just crypto stream. I do like to throw the word emergency in there though, only because on last Sunday when I did emergency crypto live stream, I got 150 views. So I've been trying to replicate that, but I have not been able to. But we did really good yesterday with the 12-hour. I think we got over 100. We reached 75 subscribers. We did do a full 12 hours, but the time is 10 minutes less than 12 hours because I had to cut stuff out from movie trailers that I played. I got in trouble. But he said Monday is supposed to be bloody red. Why has it started in the green? We're not sure. Hopefully we continue up. Honestly, this looks like it could be a cup and handle right here. If we break above this line, which was support back here, broken, and we're going to retest it as resistance. If we get above this line and hold, there's a good chance that my fractal is going to be delicious. He's another YouTuber that you do the opposite of now, right? They're all like that, man. Do the opposite of me, too. I didn't buy any fucking dark MAGA hat. Anderson did, and he made out like a bandit. So, yeah. We're doing good, though. We're doing great. How you guys feeling? Did you guys tune in for the whole 12 hours yesterday? That was a fun time. I enjoyed it. Who else enjoyed the 12-hour live stream? Fahid won our giveaway. Drew was there, like, majority of the time. I don't know. Did Philly show up? Maybe I gotta give Philly some shit. We know Bath showed up. Unverified showed up. Everybody showed up. We had a good time. We got some news articles to look at. Right now we're looking at Bitcoin because it's pumpy as fuck. And we like pumpy Bitcoin. Look at that. It's beautiful. Beautiful. Oh, I moved that line. See, I gotta be careful I don't do that. I need a carbonated beverage, I think. Let me see. I don't have my phone. I can't get up. I'm not allowed to get up during stream. Damn, look at that. Big fat green candle. It's almost 1% already on the 4-hour. That's pretty sick. Yeah, I agree, Hops. It's pretty funky. I don't know though. Maybe Netflix is just super strict. There's a million channels though that like react to like whole ass movies and stuff, and they include like majority of the clips. Maybe it's because they get sponsors though, and they don't even try to monetize. I don't know. It seems like a dangerous game. I'm a king now? Am I? I mean, don't tell me that. I feel like the hype has already gotten to my head. Don't tell me I'm a fucking king. I'm the Lord Commander. Technically, I am king in the north. But that's up for debate. Depends on who you ask. You guys gotta watch Game of Thrones, man. Ooh, maybe I'll rewatch that. It's so fucking good. I saw a bunch of shit. Oh, actually, crap, I need my fucking phone. All right. Guys, watch the chart for like 30 seconds. I gotta go grab my phone, okay? I'll be right back. All right, I'm back. How long was I gone? I have a photo that I need to share. And I think I could pull it up on stream. That would require me to open my email, though. No, I guess I can pull it up on Twitter. I can just upload it to Twitter. That's what I'll do. Bitcoin's still going up. Let's click through some charts really quick. Total 3's bust into the upside. We had a funky little bull flag. Looks good. Bitcoin dominance hopefully going down. If that's a bull flag and it breaks to the downside, then what happens with that? Is that what we're doing? I don't know. It just kind of looks ugly. I'm not going to leave that there. It looks stupid. ETH is breaking up. Is this what it's doing? Let me delete that and redraw it. Are we getting inverse head and shoulders on ETH? I'm a little bit out of breath. I just ran through the hallway. The heat said could be the sound of the trailers. Yeah, it could have been on the sound. With the clip that I got in trouble for though, I literally, you remember I paused it and I went elsewhere. We looked at charts, like we tried to pause it and break it up into like 3 or 4 different smaller segments, and I still got in trouble. So I don't know. Maybe I need like my face all over it, and I need to like gesture really wildly and talk the whole time or some shit, because it's supposed to be like transformative content. Prof said you might have set a Guinness Book of World Record a 12-hour stream after channel starting 10 days ago. Maybe. No, people have to start off right off the bat with a 12-hour stream, right? That's a pretty, I guess, see, my brain wants to say that's a very niche world record, but if you look at all of them, some of them are pretty fucking weird. They're like, most years married to a blonde man with a full mohawk and a bowel movement issue, and you're like, what the fuck? It's like the most specific thing ever.
Here you go.
Thank you.
I would have put more ice, but that was for the last reason.
Thank you very much. I have received my nondescript carbonated beverage. What up, Unverified? We're looking at the pump. The pump's going fucking crazy. I'm trying to upload a picture to Twitter so that I can show you guys. Fahid, we're gonna send you a bag of these, okay? All right, I posted it. I'm going to go over here. I'm going to open my Twitter. Follow me on Twitter, guys. Oh, maybe it's going to take a second. I guess I didn't look to see if it actually uploaded. What the heck? Did it work? Am I crazy? I'm connected to Wi-Fi. This is the audio of JJ figures out how the internet works. Okay, Bitcoin's still going up. I'm still drawing on my chart. I'm gonna get this damn picture to show up. What the heck, man? Let me just do a post and then I can add the picture. I'll refresh really quick. Did it show up yet? There we go. Okay. We got him. I've shared the picture in the past. We got him again. FOMO, NOMO, high key, mini cookies. These cookies help you with FOMO. If you have FOMO, you eat some of the cookies and you mellow out. You no longer need to FOMO. Unverified said Bitcoin is looking inspirational right now. I miss these pumps. It is looking inspirational. I agree. We're getting some moon action going on. It's pretty fucking sick. It looks like a cup and handle. Let's hope we just get non-stop pumpage. That would be amazing. Max pain for the bears. The fractal's looking good. The bull flag looked good. We broke out, retested, continued to the upside. We got a couple of different random ass lines all over the fucking place. We took a bath for a little while. It might be time to delete that. I think our next areas of confluence are these areas from the article and Bath's input the other day, where he said we expected some resistance, which we got it before. So we're going to look for some resistance there. Again, if it busts right through that, that would be amazing, though. It's weird how these lines kind of correlate with the fractal, too. Like, that would be support. That would be support. This would be support. Come on, man. Couldn't have picked a better fractal. Hoff said, that's why I'm saying they were just doing a Kelly and Mark's morning show, Goofy Records. They do have Goofy Records, man. It's the craziest thing. They're like most hot dogs in a wonton wrapper consumed within 30 minutes in a subway station. And you're like, but that's not a thing that people normally do. Most spiders spanked on a subway. Ooh, this carbonated beverage hits the spot. I did not get more chai latte. I do have other chai tea, though. I'm sorry. Chai tea is tea tea. I do have other spiced chai. I learned that from the Spider-Verse. Is Bath in here? I'm not sure. Unverified said this thing won't stop going up. Let's see if we can go shame Bath into joining the stream really quick. Once again, guys, you want to get some help with your FOMO. We got FOMO, NOMO, high key, mini cookies. Maybe that's why Fahid isn't buying dips. Maybe he's taken too many of these cookies. Fahid, we got to get you some bags, man. You should have taken your $25 winnings. Maybe you could just keep it in Discord. No, do whatever you want with that, man. You earned it. #1 fan right there, Fahid. Give him a hand. We fucking love you, Fahid. Let's see. The people demand your presence. And then I guess I need the stream again, right? Can I copy that? Copy text. Bam. What do you guys think of the thumbnail? I like the little white outlines, make it look like stickers. I thought that was fun. We got some articles to go through, but Bitcoin's pumping right now. Let me, where's my damn phone? I forgot where I put it already. What the fuck? We need our own, royalty-free pump music. I don't even know what I would do to find that. George's thumbnail right now is I believe. Like, I almost said Pineapple Express. Like the Polar Express. Royalty-free party music, right? It's got to be transformative, though, so maybe I'll talk over it. Music royalty-free. You guys ever watch Mark Rebier? He does, like, awesome improv music, and it's fucking amazing. Dude's a genius. Let's see the chat. Drew said I have a 2-hour drive, so I'll be I'll just be listening. All right, we'll probably go a little bit later today, especially if the market stays pumpy. Bath said, "Have you tried Galaxy Gas, Bath?" I have not tried Galaxy Gas recently. Here's our royalty-free pump music. How do we like this? I kind of like that. No copyright background music. Let me save this. Maybe we'll make a whole playlist. Oh, I can download it? Let's fucking go! Okay, I got a bunch of playlists. I just saved it too. Alright, we like that. We like that song. Pumping on JJ's stream, not Jordan. Ooh, that's what happens sometimes, man. Bass shared crypto haze medium.co m something. I don't know. Let's see. Oh. Okay, guys. I gotta join the stream on here, I guess. Can I do that? Will that freak everything out? Bass shared. Okay. Let's see. Here we go. Alright, let me get out of there before I, like, open up a fucking rip in time and space. Volatility Supercycle from Arthur Hayes. 15-minute read. Let's read through this, guys. This looks pretty fucking cool. I like this. Dom Pepe Man Vintage. Dude, I would buy some fucking Pepe champagne. I don't even drink shit like that. Let's see. Any views? Okay, yep, that's a little disclaimer. What a fucking week. If you were a numpty and didn't fly into Singapore for token 2049 last week, I pray for your soul. Damn. I appreciate the prayers, though, brother. At over 20,000 righteous acolytes praised the Lord in whatever way they deemed appropriate. I have been to almost every Formula One in Singapore since the night race began, and I have never seen the city so alive. Token 2049 has doubled in attendance year over year. I hear rumors that some little-known projects paid upwards $650,000 to speak on some of the smaller stages. That's awesome. You are at the world's largest crypto event. That's pretty sick. They're a little self-aware, though. The parties were packed. Marquee is a club that fits a few thousand people. Take a gander at this over 3-hour-long queue to get into this event. A different crypto project or company booked the club out every night of the week. The booking fee for Marquee, not including any alcohol, is $200K. Let's fucking go. Ooh, we got a picture of Iggy Azalea's booty. That's for you, Mr. Anderson. I don't know if you're in here. There were all types of events for all types of folk. Iggy Azalea flew in a gaggle of strippers from LA to create a pop-up experience. Who would have thought strippers would understand how to operate in volatile markets? Daddy, did you buy the dip? I kind of hope that's a jab at Andrew Tate. That's pretty sick. Even this clown Suzu, aka Randall of Crypto, couldn't resist attempting to make it rain. Randall, why are you looking so uncomfortable in this video? Losing money is your specialty. Why? When you finally pony up your assets to the BVI bankruptcy court and settle the lawsuit, I will happily host you at Magic City and show you how it's done. Damn, this dude's throwing some fucking shade, man. What the fuck? Who's this? This is a child back here. What's going on? Fucking weird shit. Money by Monday, Randall. I'm considering having Branson Cognac and Le Chemin du Roi sponsor my next party. In the words of 50 Cent, money by Monday, Randall. 50 Cent, look at this fool taking selfies. You better get me my money, fool. What the fuck? That's pretty great. I fucking love 50 Cent. Every hotel was full. And at the same time, let's go take a look at Bitcoin again really quick. We're pumping again. Let's fucking go. We're still pumping. The pump has not ceased. It's a non-stop pumpathon. Every hotel was full. At the same time, went for any half-decent restaurant. And at the same time, went for any half... Okay. When all is tallied for 2024, I suspect we'll find that the crypto crowd brought more business to airlines, hotels, restaurants, conference venues, and nightclubs than any other event in Singapore's history. Let's fucking go. When they see that the money's coming, they're going to start kissing our ass. Thankfully, Singapore attempts to be as geopolitically neutral as possible. That means that as long as you believed in Satoshi, you could, for the most part, come and rejoice with your brothers and sisters in the Lord. The energy and enthusiasm of crypto folks stand in stark contrast to the staid and boring comportment of TradFi conference goers like the Milken Institute also puts on a conference during the same week. If you walk around the Four Seasons where the conference is held, every man and woman looks the same in their bland business casual formal attire, and it is on purpose that the TradFi costume and behavior are placid and never changing. They want the population to think nothing to see here, while they steal the dignity of humanity with the inflation that their institutions hoist upon the world. Volatility is their enemy because when things start moving, the plebes get to peer into the looking glass and witness the true degeneracy of their masters. Today we're covering the volatility of crypto and its absence in TradFi. I want to discuss how the elites print money to create the placid economic surface, and I want to talk through how Bitcoin is the release valve for this fiat printed in an attempt to suppress volatility to unnatural levels. But first, I want to illustrate a salient point that short-term macroeconomic predictions don't matter by stepping through my track record from November 2023 to the present, 50-50 at best. Okay, guys, I'm probably about a third of the way through this article. Check it out, cryptohaze.medium.com/volatility-supercycle-bunch of nonsense. Definitely seems like a great read. I'm going to save this for later because I want to check it out myself. Thank you, Bath, for that great article. But right now, Bitcoin's pumpy. Let's take a look at the chat. And Mr. Anderson has arrived. Philly has arrived. Let's fucking go. When are we going, Anderson? Okay, Jordan Wreck. Jordy says tomorrow, Bloody Monday. Please be pumpy October. Nikki dumping. This is Asia driven right now. Let's fucking go. Some alts quiet. Something like Jasmine, probably ripping. Anderson, JJ, I absolutely do not care about what you are reading. Mr. Anderson, take that up with Bath. He shared the article. I like the article. We took a look at it. You got to see Iggy Azalea's booty. You know, it takes like 5 or 6 minutes for you to clean up after that. So you got a little bit of light reading during cleanup time. Deal with it. What do we got, guys? You guys got any meme coins we want to check out? Mr. Anderson gave us some good trades yesterday. Maybe he's got more good input today. Total 3's looking beautiful. ETH, inverse head and shoulders, if that's even relevant, is making a pumpy statement. Maybe we'll go up here. Maybe we'll just fucking skyrocket. That'd be pretty awesome. Solana, inverse head and shoulders. That's super obvious inverse head and shoulders. Love that. ADA, trying to do something. Snake, even Snake is looking good. Swee's looking beautiful. These are the points of interest based on the volume of the most recent move. Something that Bath showed us how to do. Thank you, Bath. C is completely disregarding my stupid little drawing, which I love to see. Love to see C. Caspa is taking a little doo-doo. What's going on with Caspa, guys? That's very interesting. Chainlink. Let me get this fucking advertisement crap out of here. Chainlink kind of looks like ADA, just this most recent move. Like it's trying to do a little inverse head and shoulders situation like everything else. It's pumping with the market though, so that's good. I've told you guys a couple of times, I've seen so many oracles pop up and they're like, we're the next big fucking thing. And then they don't do their job correctly and some stable coin somewhere gets rugged or some kind of synthetic asset gets rugged because the oracle was poorly managed. And everybody just kind of disappears and people forget about it. It gets swept under the rug. Chainlink is the oracle that we need. It's the only one that's reliable. They know what the fuck they're doing. Everyone else kind of sucks. Polkadot. Polkadot's even trying to do something. This is great. Liking what we're seeing, guys. Doge. Doge is doing something. Near doing something. Near's got inverse head and shoulders as well. Polygon doing something. Chili's for hops. Sweet. Number go up. That is a cup and handle. PHB. That's inverse head and shoulders. 1, 2, 3. Maybe I'm making that up. But number go up. That's all that matters. There's a ton of confluence in the charts with these points of interest. CFX. Same thing. DXY. DXY getting a little probably a flag. But hopefully a dumpy DXY, silver, Nasdaq, S&P 500, AS Fractal, Hasn't moved. Or has it? I'm not sure. I don't think so. I don't think the market's open yet. Bitcoin dominance. Hopefully gets a rip to the downside. Bitcoin is following the fractal so far, guys. Man, this is awesome. We got a pumpy Sunday. Anderson said pith. Trash pa. Let's see. It's called ASMR, Anderson. Anderson said it's cool. Hayes talks a bit about Nikki JPY. In this article, read his shit every month. It's alpha. Let's zoom in a little bit on our dirty chart here. We got this resistance line, which was support previously. Bitcoin broke right the fuck through that. Let's see if it comes up here and breaks through this 6,400 to 64.3. Let's see if we can just bust right through that. Let's get some momentum, guys. Bulls have fucking arrived. Winter is coming. Let's see. Let's look at pith for Anderson. Pith is green. Love to see it. 1.72% candle. Good for trading. Let's see. What else do we got? He said trash pa. Is that going to be on deck screener? Probably. Let's see if it's not, though. Let's see if it's... Okay, yeah, that's going to be on deck screener. Open up deck screener. Bath said sold some leverage long here. Stick to the plan. Absolutely. Bath just sold his house. Everybody say congratulations, Bath. He said his bags are pretty decent and he doesn't know what to do with himself. I told him to start streaming. He said, that is on the list, JJ. I will start streaming eventually because streaming is fucking cool. And then he told me that I was the coolest person in the room. Let's look at Trash Pa. Trash Pa. I don't know what you're talking about, Anderson. Are you okay? Have you tried Galaxy Gas? What else do we got? Tau? Tau, I think, has regular charts. I'll pull it up here, though. Why the fuck not? That's the wrong Tau. Just ignore that, please. Tau? USDT. Tau Tether. Ooh, look at that. Tau is booming. What do we got here? Tau is up 21%. Let's get a... we're workshopping the pump song, but I'm going to play it anyways, guys. For Tau. Tau looks good. What else do we got? That said, I'm homeless. Rest in peace. Rest in pith. That was a total accident, but rest in peace. Bath's home. I hope the raccoon can find a nice place to stay. Bath, you can come stay with us up in Michigan if you want to. The water's kind of fucked up. Bring your own water for sure, but everything else is nice. Potholes are fucked up as well. Make sure you have one set of tires for every season. Recommended by Franco. Let's see. Philly said, JJ, what fractal are you talking about? Previous bull run? Sorry, I'm the group Dodo. Philly, I would call this, yesterday I called it the crack fractal. On the S&P 500, we have the ass fractal. On Bitcoin, I just made up the name on this one because I kind of pulled it on my ass, but I also based it on like previous, I couldn't tell you where it was at. It might be right here. This right here. Yeah, I think that's it. So the candles that were happening back here, I think on the daily, looked similar to the candles back up front where we're at. They probably look completely different now, but it looked very, very similar. So I just took the fractal from back here and I put it up here, and it's actually starting to play out. Happy little accident. And then we had a trend right here. This purple line was a trend. Our 3 hits to the upside. It was resistance. I copy pasted it. I put it down here because we had resistance here, and it was resistance here for the most of the part, and right here. So there's a lot of confluence with that one. Then this middle one is strictly only right here was resistance. So it's the same line, copy paste from there to down here to now here. And it seems like it's playing out. The chart, the patterns, the psychology is there. Everybody looks at the charts. They see the same charts, but they don't always see the same patterns. So stuff happens to correlate and play out over time. And then this line right here was just based on all of this price action, which if you zoom into the lower time frames, I think on the 4 hour, you can see it. Yeah. See, this was support this whole time. Support, broke below. Now it should have been resistance, but Bitcoin busted right through. Let me move this. Okay, so we haven't quite wicked up there yet. So we got this chart. This is this is our dirty chart, and then we got our clean Bitcoin chart, which is starting to get a little bit dirty as well. But I can delete these lines now, I think. Beth said that these were areas of interest, and we came back down there, played around there for a little bit. We're good to go. The blue line. So yeah, we have our overarching trend. This probably, I don't know. It looks different because this is a Coinbase chart. But we can leave it right there. See if we can break above that and get some moon action. This was kind of sloppy too. But I mean, it played out. We bounced right off that. Let's see. Those no, unverified said heading towards 64K. Offset Anderson is overly trolley for these streams. Offset timeout, Andy. What the fuck? Beth said we've got a ton of horny long open interest at 62K. Could dip and rip overnight. Let's take a look at the liquidation heat map. Liquidation heat map Bitcoin. I should probably make some bookmarks on this computer. Okay. So I remember Fahid explained this. The stuff on the left hasn't been eaten yet. Am I correct? Or it has? I don't know. 2035. So they took this earlier? Yeah, so we've liquidated these. We have not liquidated these yet. So there's a lot at 63.80. Beth said 62K. Yep. Yeah, there's a lot of open interest at 62. There's even more down here at this has been here. So this is the one, I think this is still marked on our charts. On our dirty chart right here. Maybe? I don't remember. I don't remember, guys. Number go up. We like number go up. 42.73. Oh shit, there is more up here. So it's 62K. There is 42 million. So let's go put that on our chart. It is at 62.075.65. We'll put it on the dirty chart. I'll just move this one because I'm pretty sure this one was what that was, blue. Or was it the purple? 61. Where's the purple line? Oh, that's red. It was just really close to the blue. That's weird. Oh, that's what, yeah, that, okay, so the red was the correct one because we made it red because it was liquidation. 62.075. Oh, it was right there. There we go. Let's fucking go. Okay. 62.075, 65. Right there. Beautiful. That is our liquidation. I'm going to make it a little bit thicker so it's easier to see. And, man, look at that beauty. 1.73%. Big fat candle on Bitcoin. Let's fucking go. Make some noise. Let's get some hearts. Don't forget to hit that like button, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit the notification bell. Appreciate you. Let's go through some articles. Let me click through some charts really quick. Total 3 looks beautiful. ETH, beautiful. Sol, beautiful. ADA, beautiful. Look at that. That's what we like to see. Okay. Early warning. It's going to be bright. Sorry, I already clicked on it. I know. Who was Len Sassaman, and why might HBO think he is Satoshi Nakamoto? The late cryptographer and privacy advocate is in the spotlight because bettors on Polymarket think he may be identified as Satoshi. American cypherpunk and cryptographer Leonard Harris, Len Sassaman, has attracted the attention of the crypto space, with Polymarket punters favoring the deceased computer scientist as the figure who will be revealed to be the inventor of Bitcoin in an upcoming HBO documentary. On October 3rd, filmmaker Colin Hoback announced an upcoming HBO documentary, Money Electric, The Bitcoin Mystery. Hoback promoted the film on X, saying he was tracking down somebody else who had appeared, implying that he had been attempting to find the creator of Bitcoin, who had disappeared. Okay. He's known for HBO miniseries Q Into the Swarm, where he claimed to have identified some authors of the QAnon conspiracy theory and unproven speculation pitting former President Donald Trump against satanic pedophiles within Hollywood. While the documentary creators did not list who they thought would be Nakamoto in the trailer, Polymarket gamblers quickly placed bets on who may be outed as the Bitcoin creator. Hal Finney, Adam Back. Okay, so we did look at this the other day. So who was this guy? He's the godfather of crypto. He worked on projects such as Pretty Good Price software and its update GNU Privacy Guard. He and his wife was a computer scientist too. That's pretty sick. Meredith Patterson founded the SaaS startup Osogato. That's pretty sick. There's a tribute to him on the blockchain? That's so fucking cool. He had a lot of achievements. Cryptography expert, diagnosed with depression in his teens. He died of suicide at the age of 31. Rest in peace. Guys, there's help out there for people like this, you know. If you ever have any kind of thoughts like this or anything, there's always somebody out there that's willing to help, for real. Rest in peace to this legend. What a fucking badass. Beautiful man. With a beautiful beard. Moving forward. We got another link from Bath. Let's go see. Link from Bath. I gotta figure out. Get to my fucking stream. Let's see. Trading view chart from Bath. Woo! Okay. I think this is a bunch of shit that may or may not correlate. Nikkei? What is Nikkei? Am I pronouncing that correctly? Nikkei? We got USDT dominance, Nikkei, ETH, BTC, XAU, USD. I don't know, maybe that's Australian currency or something like that. S&P 500, ETH dominance, NQZ 2024, DXY, Bitcoin dominance, FTSE, JPY, USD. I believe this is the correlation against each other. Others dominance, Bitcoin Japan, V 2024. So yeah, this is just a correlation of a bunch of different currencies in Bitcoin, I believe. Let's see. Philly said, fellas, does anyone else think JJ sounds a little quiet? Sorry, JJ. Is there any way you can turn your mic up? Okay, I can literally physically point my mic better at my face, and I can talk a little bit louder. Is this better? I cannot turn it up. I do have a noise suppression filter on the mic, but that doesn't actually make me quieter. That just makes sure that you guys can't hear the aquarium in the background, or the birds outside, or my daughter when she wants to make fart sounds next to the door and fuck with me. Okay. Bath said Nikkei is Japan. ASKZ is the Asia kill zone. Hoff said we want corner. I don't know who that is, Hoffs. That's just some fucking menace hacking my channel. I've never heard of them before yesterday. So thank you, Bath, for that correlation. Let me shut this shit. chart with everything. What else did I just close? I think I accidentally closed something else that I wasn't supposed to. Okay, yes, I did. Okay, that was a volatility super cycle. I have that bookmarked, so I'm gonna read that later. Offset. I'm literally worn out from answering messages all day on Marketplace. That's your job, man. That's your job. I always think about it. I'm like, there's no way I could fucking do this like full time. But then I'm like, well, if it was my job though, like if I didn't have a regular job, I could probably do something else in place of that. So it's all a matter of perspective. That's life. Life is all a matter of perspective, man. Let's see. Philly, do I sound a little bit better? I'm trying to talk louder for you, buddy. I could also fuck with you and just talk quieter, but I won't do that. Let's go back to Bitcoin. We're still pumpy. We're still green. ETH, Sol, ADA. ADA's really holding that. That's pretty sick. Dirty chart. Clean chart. I've had Bitunix open on my chart an hour bit on my computer, and I've been contemplating migrating to Ourbit finally, but I'm hesitant because Bitunix has been really good to me, and I'm scared that I'm gonna move to Ourbit and something bad's gonna happen. Tell me I'm retarded. Let me know that I'm being a little bitch about it. Bitcoin's rise above 62K could pull APT with FTM and BGB higher. What's BGB? Rakesh Upadhyay wrote 4 hours ago. They give him, on Cointelegraph, they give him his little thingy. His own little picture. That's funny. That's so fucking funny. You get your own little badge, the company illustrator. I'm surprised they haven't started using AI yet. They probably have. Let's see. Bitcoin is trying to close the week above 62.5, well above the intra-week low of just under 60K. This suggests buying at lower levels. Although the start to October, generally the strongest month of the year, has been slow, analysts expect things could pick up going forward. One positive for cryptocurrency markets is that the CME Group's FedWatch tool is pricing in a 97% probability that the Federal Reserve cutting rates by 25 basis points in their November 7th meeting. Expectations are that a rate cut would boost a risk-on sentiment. Everything's green except for APT, TON, CAS, what is that, Atom? I can't. XMR, and something else. I think that's Chili's. I'm just kidding. It might be. Can't zoom in though. Another possible trigger for the recovery could be the reduction in Bitcoin held on centralized exchanges. According to Crypto Quint data, centralized exchanges hold more than $2.8 million Bitcoin, the lowest number since November 2018, and we all know what happened after that. The drop in the balance reduces the available liquidity, and such occurrences are sometimes followed by bullish price movements. Could a recovery in Bitcoin act as a catalyst for an altcoin recovery? Of fucking course it could. Because more liquidity means pumping our fucking bags. Next article. Let's go back here. Bitcoin's still pumpy. That's all we want to see. Let's look at Total 3 really quick. Total 3 looks great. Satoshi holds 67 billion in Bitcoin. Here's a ranking of the other top holders. Look at Michael Saylor. Actually looks like I would invite him to dinner here. Every time I see him doing an interview or something, he looks a little frightening. Bitcoin creator Satoshi Nakamoto holds the most Bitcoin for now. I believe if you combine all the ETFs, they are about to lapse him in the quantity of Bitcoin. If you combine all of them. Let's see, is there a list or do I gotta read all of these? Okay, Satoshi Nakamoto has 1.1 million Bitcoin, worth $67.6 billion. Coinbase holds 973,698 Bitcoin, worth $59.8 billion. Binance holds... Wow, Coinbase has more than Binance? That's fucking crazy. It's because of the ETFs. That's exactly what it is. Binance holds 663,813, and they did it without the U.S. government or the banks. Worth $40.8 billion. Despite facing regulatory crisis, including a standoff with Nigerian officials that led to the jailing of an executive and former IRS agent. Damn. They remain the world's largest crypto exchange. Fuck yes. Stick it to the man, CZ, even though you're allegedly no longer affiliated. BlackRock holds 361,518 Bitcoin with 22.2 billion. They have jumped headfirst into crypto this year, launching a Bitcoin ETF and tokenized money market fund that now holds more than 500 million in US treasuries. The firm recently published a laser-eyed screed touting Bitcoin's potential, and CEO Larry Funk has called the cryptocurrency a hedge against optimism. Okay. I'm not a big fan of Larry Fink, but whatever. The rest of the rankings: Fidelity, Grayscale, MicroStrategy, the U.S. government, Bitunix, really? That one I never would have expected, and Kraken. Okay. Next. Bitcoin. Okay. Bitcoin realized price rejections hint Bitcoin price weakening. So I like to do bullish and bearish articles. We like to look at both sides. It's good to get both sides of the spectrum. Let me check the chat really quick before I read this. If we had an AI chat app to deal with Marketplace, the quad rotor drone listings for commands from the app, we could make a Ryobi sales bot. Bath, imagine a Ryobi drone. That would actually be really fucking cool. What if Ryobi just like takes over the world as like the next like tech superpower? They start making like laptops and shit. Fucking robots. Hoff said, no, the volume of the marketplace messaging today has been high. Volume breakout for me today. Billy said, speaking of rate cuts, did anyone else hear the show where Tino says exactly 1 year after the first rate cut, we dump hard? That wouldn't surprise me. We'll have to see what happens. Bitcoin price rejections hit Bitcoin price weakening. Okay, Bitcoin holders realized cap sees a snap drop while speculators get more confident in market trajectory. Is this Ben Cowan? It looks like Ben Cowan. Bitcoin faces a potential selling pressure as the dollar value of holders. See, I like how Cointelegraph is like, let's publish every possible sentiment at every possible moment. So that way, when the price does anything, we can post the right article and say, told you so. You should have read our article and saw all of these ads so that we can get paid more. News research by on-chain analytics platform CryptoQuaint shows speculators stepping in while seasoned holders go risk off on Bitcoin. Bitcoin holders likely taking profits amid continued enthusiasm over a return to all-time highs for Bitcoin USD. Bitcoin long-term holders are taking no risks, analyzing the net position change of long-time holders, entities, defined as those holding a given amount of Bitcoin for 155 days or more. CryptoQuaint revealed a sharp decrease in their Bitcoin exposure, which means they're buying alts, which means alt season's coming, baby. Short-term holders, meanwhile, are taking a markedly different approach to the market. These speculators, entities holding Bitcoin for up to 155 days, are busy increasing their stake. These are people late to the party. They didn't have bags packed way the fuck down here at 25K. They're starting to buy the highs. Everyone else is rotating out of Bitcoin into altcoins. Those are the people that are going to buy our altcoin bags when the bull market finally ends. And that is the last article, ladies and gentlemen. Time to look at some memes. Real quick. Looking at the chat. Billy said, speaking of rate cuts. Okay, I read that already. Bath said, the drone is the tool. Cordless drill? Nah, this quad rotor is a drill. If you put the right propellers on it, I could believe that. My company, we bought a drone and we took it down to the Carolinas with us on our like annual company vacation. And the boss is like, let's fly the drone. And it was cold. It was like during winter, so it was probably in like the 50s, 40s or 50s. It was really cold for the Carolinas. And we were flying it at the back of our Airbnb. And the drone like landed in like these little like vines on the chain link fence, and it was still running. So the propellers are idling, except for the one that was caught in the vines. So I go to grab the drone, and I pull it out, and as I pull it out, the propeller starts up again, and it whacks my 3 fingers, freezing cold fingers with like no circulation. I thought I broke all of my fingers, dude. It hurts so fucking bad. And we crashed that drone like 5 or 6 times. It fell from like 20, 30 feet up in the air and rolled down a fucking flight of stairs and shit. But it still flies to this day. It is a DJI Phantom Vision 2 Plus. Badass drone. It's a fucking beast. Let's see. Bitcoin looks great. Total 3 looks great. ETH looks great. Sol looks great. ADA. Even ADA still looks great. Let's fucking go, guys. Let's look at some memes. Early 2000s motherfuckers be like, rate my setup. Honest to God, I would still have a setup like this. I kind of do. My desk is just black. But this is fucking early 2000s so hard. And retro like computer gaming is making a comeback. There's like whole communities for it now. People just buy old systems and they like don't connect them to the internet or anything, but they keep them in really good condition so that they can play super duper old games on like the system that it was meant to be played on. It's crazy. This is pretty funny. Just thought it was funny. Nobody a beaver seeing running water. Absolutely fucking not. This one's pretty good. We saw that meme yesterday where the lady was like, it was like me at 3 a.m. And it was like, the lady was reading a book and she's like, why aren't there dinosaur ghosts? And then I saw this meme today and I was like, oh shit, this is like really topical. Out of the 2 of these, if I had to pick one, honestly, I think I would go with the Jurassic Park Explorer. I do love the Mystery Shack though. I love me a good full-size van, but I feel like I like the colors on the Jurassic Park Ford Explorer better. It's a lot more iconic. Unfortunately, they switched to Jeep now. Probably because the fucking Ford Explorer looks like every other SUV that ever existed now. It's fucking lame, man. This one was pretty good. Me not being able to relax all morning because I have a minor commitment later in the afternoon. He's got the Minecraft poster. I actually have this Minecraft poster. I have like every Minecraft poster that they ever made. I don't know why. Me and my fiance got super into Minecraft and we started buying all the posters and putting them up in our room when we still lived at her parents'. Fun times. This one was pretty funny. I gotta get audio for this one because it's hilarious.
Oh shit! Fuck! Water! Oh fuck! That's what's going. Your phone.
That one's pretty funny. He slides down and then he just keeps going, man. I think it was because he stepped on this carpet. If he would have stepped on the cement, he probably would have just slipped on and fell on his ass and been fine. But he kept going, man. He kept going. That's sometimes you just gotta commit and take the fall. I actually put this exact same floating dock in at a customer's. It's a nice dock. Wake up, babe. GTA 3 dropped. Dude, when Minecraft came out, I was like so against it. I was like, this stupid kids game is so dumb. And then I bought it. Or no, I'm sorry. We watched a YouTuber play it and it was like super cozy. I was like, shit. I think I'm gonna buy this dumbass game. And we bought it and we fucking fell in love with it, man. It's a super cozy game. It's a fun time. For real. This one was crazy. Just crazy chaotic. Fucking duck. Like, why are they even chasing each other? Is he supposed to be a capybara? Bro ate shit like 5 times. Oh, man. This has got to be in Japan. Japan is out of control, man. You got criminal ducks, fucking jumping capybaras. Look at it. I can't. Okay. This one was crazy. This crazy ass house. Do we have a house like that in Michigan? I could probably actually just show you guys it. Is that weird? Is it weird if I like dox people? Offset is this another 12-hour stream? Nah, man, we're just chilling. Clint's fine print is a lawsuit and 69% interest. That's very possible. Clint's been on hiatus for a while, man. Imagine having a house like at the entrance. Security's just like throwing a fucking party. This is like a chateau. Little viewpoint. When your property, like when you can drive a golf cart through your home, you probably have too much money, honestly. That is pretty sick, though. I don't know. I feel like I would just get irritated. I'm like, oh fuck! Like you get down to the pool and you're like, shit! I forgot my fucking phone, and then you gotta walk all the way the fuck over here. Like, where's your room? It's gonna take you like 25 minutes to go get your phone again. I guess at that point you could just have multiple phones for multiple rooms. I don't know. Fucking huge house though. Like, what the fuck? Bitcoin's still green. Let's fucking go. This one, I got another owl post. Y'all were like, owls don't get that big. Look at how big this motherfucker is. He's like 4 feet tall. Owls aren't that big. Look at him. He's a fucking monster. Beautiful, though. Then we got this one. Being an adult is all about being tired, telling people how tired you are, and listening to other adults tell you how tired they are. I am tired today. Unfortunately, I am also an adult. But damn, yesterday was pretty fun. Let's see. Oh yeah, this one was really funny. I don't know, this chick's like a fucking skimpy streamer, but she called her fiance over to voice a band chat, and it's pretty fucking funny.
Philip, we should do like you voice band Twitch chats.
Let me cream in those sweaty, tanned thighs that curve to your bubbly, perfect just wanna give it to you.
Yeah, that one was like last minute ad. It just popped up on my feed. I was like, this is fucking funny. Okay, so this dude is an actor. I'm gonna give him a follow because that was pretty hilarious. So yeah, that's it for memes, guys. Bitcoin's still pumpy as fuck. Like what we're seeing. Let's see. Anderson, you got any more memes you want us to look at? Hasn't even been an hour. Has it? It hasn't. It's weird. That's weird, guys. Feels weird. I'll check this shit out. Since we're all closely monitoring my progress as a YouTuber, I'll give you guys a quick update. Oh, life for streaming. I uploaded the fucking cabin, and it's already at 9.6k views. So let's take a watch. So yeah, that's it. Looking good. It's almost done. We got to put the floor deck up top and then build, you know, the walls and the second story roof, but that's all going to be regular, like traditional construction. The hard part is over, and I did 99% of this by myself. The only other part that I didn't do by myself was these fucking right here. The posts. This shit was just funny, man. The boss is always like, "Oh, have two people do the auger," and it's hitting rocks the whole time. I'm like, I'm not doing that shit. I'm not fucking my back up. What are these Japanese subtitles? Is that racist? It auto-detected the sound of the auger and decided that this was like Japanese. What the fuck, man? But yeah, anyways, that was fun shit. Fun little updates. Imagine a copyright strike for this live because of your own short, right? I'm like suing myself now. Just sueception. That would fucking happen too. Oh man. All right. Total 3 is pushing up. ETH looks great. Sol is pushing up. ADA is pushing up. Snek, Sui, C, Cass is pushing up. Hopefully there's like a little fake out. Chainlink pushing up. Dot trying to like start to push up. Doge pushing up. Polygon pushing up. Near. Ooh, wow, that's a 5% candle on Near. Let's fucking go. Near is getting pumpy as fuck. That's what we like to see. Man, I can't believe this was down around at like $1. Like not long ago at all. That's fucking crazy. Look at that. It was down at $1. Okay, it was a year ago. It was a year ago. It was slightly less than a year ago. $2. Okay, that makes me feel a little bit better. 270. But it seems like Near's been just blowing the fuck up. Love to see it. Chili's pumping. PHB, CFX, great trades here. Both of those. What do we got? You guys got any alts you want to show in the chat? I hate when a customer tells me they only have $80. You better go do something else if you want to have more than $80. Right? That's pretty funny, man. It's like the ultimate buy tactic. They're like, well, yeah, I know. I know that the listing was for $150, but I only have $100. I mean, that's too damn bad. The listing's for $150. You better go find that other $50, bro. That's pretty funny. We just sold a big like a big trailer at work, and we had to go to Pontiac to sell it. And it was these two big black dudes. They're like starting their own kind of like the pedal pub, but you don't have to pedal around like a jackass. But they were super nice, but it was kind of in the ghetto, and my boss is like the whitest dude ever, so he's like, he literally calls me like halfway there. He said he got pulled over, and the cop was like, "You're going down there by yourself?" So my boss calls me, and he's like, "This cop said that I was crazy for going here by myself. So can you meet me there?" I was like, "I fucking guess so." So I met him up there, and one of the dudes referred to me as his trigger man, which made me feel kind of like a badass. But they kind of like jewed the price down a little bit too. But I was okay with it. We were getting a decent deal on it. We were getting more than we were expecting. So my boss like looked at me when the guy offered a lower amount. I was like, it's fine. But yeah, man. As a frequent customer of random deals on like Facebook and shit, I also try to negotiate the price down. You have to. It's like the law. You gotta haggle, man. You gotta haggle always. Otherwise, you look like a bitch. But yeah, what'd you guys do this weekend? Anyone do anything crazy? I know Drew probably climbed a whole fucking mountain or something badass. Bath sold his house maybe this weekend. Maybe it happened shortly before this weekend. I hope he had a nice little going away party for the raccoon. Philly probably stayed home. Maybe I don't know. What does Philly do? Anderson's definitely just like, Anderson's probably like a closet musician now, so he's just sitting at home. He's like, man, I just do nothing now, and I sit around and I smoke weed all day. When in reality, he's probably like fucking rating music and shit. Like, no one's ever gonna understand me. What else do we got? Fahid's doing like Canadian things, so he goes to like the beer store, eh? He's gonna go to the beer store, and then he's probably gonna maybe go fishing, eh? Maybe go clean his canoe. Go for a drive, eh? And then maybe do some little bit of relaxing. Visit the old folks home and donate some time. Because they just want your time. Eh? Was that Canadian? I tried really hard. I feel like I'm an honorary Canadian. Michigan's pretty much Canada. Eh? Unverified state on the other side of that state with my girl for the weekend. What one, Michigan or North Carolina? I like that you said the other side, like the not scary part. It gets pretty frightening, man. I like it whenever we go out of state and people are like, where are you from? And we can't say the town that we're from because it's a small town. So just for out of convenience, we say we're from Detroit. And they always go, oh, wow, really? Like, like we're some hardened criminals or some shit just because we said we're from Detroit. Like, calm down, it's okay. We only sold some crack. It's not that big of a deal. Massachusetts? Did I talk about Massachusetts at some point? I don't know. Total 3's pushing, man. This is awesome. What a great stream. ETH is pushing. I like it a lot. Liking what I'm seeing. It's probably gonna pull back as soon as I get off or something. Something bad's gonna happen. We're manifesting pumpage, guys. Everybody say, I want Bitcoin to go up. I'm from Boston, was in deep western Massachusetts. I don't know if I've ever been to or even driven through Massachusetts. We're going to Florida in March. I'm kind of excited for that. The farthest south I've been is South Carolina, like northern part of South Carolina. I've been all the way west as Wyoming. And all the way east. I think I've gone all the way to Maine. Gone up to Canada. South is the only cardinal direction that I've never really gone. You said the state, not that state. I'm not sure what you're talking about. Oh, okay. You've been on the other side of the state with your girl for the weekend. That's what you did. Okay, I understand now. Okay. That was my bad. I was misinterpreting a lot of stuff. Unverified is not crazy. I am. I'll take the blame. Let's see. Anderson, if Anderson's still here, Anderson, give us a meme to look at, man. Make America based again. Satoshi revealed. What's this thing doing? Okay. This is a quick pump right here. Not financial advice, guys. That coin's super new. Exercise your own caution with that. 10 Bitcoin for 2 pizzas. Man. Sideline, faded soul. Why are these all the top coins are like just launched? At least Mudang is still up here. Let's check on biscuits. Biscuits the seal. Yeah, I thought I was talking about Michigan for a minute and you said something that it makes sense. It makes sense what you said. I was just not paying attention. Biscuits the seal does have some bullish dip right here. Guys, maybe I'll buy some Biscuits the seal. Let's take a look at Dark Maga Hat. Is it weird after the 12-hour stream? I feel obligated to stream longer now. Oh, Dark Maga Hat has an inverse head and shoulders, which it did down, or it did right here. Same exact setup it looks like, and it did pump out of that. So you might be in for another pump on Dark Maga Hat. Not financial advice, guys. Exercise caution. This is a meme coin that was launched yesterday, so it could rug any moment. Yeah, unverified. I was literally, I asked what you guys did this weekend, and then I went into my own story, and then I thought that you were talking about my story. Shit's out of control, man. My brain's still a little scrambled from the 12-hour stream. Yeah, every single one of these coins was launched like 10 minutes ago. Oh no, this is the daily. So yesterday. Okay. What is this? Is crazy. Is this how it always is? Wow. Look at that 378% candle. What the fuck is going on? Don't ever buy any meme coins that use my name in the ticker. They are all scams designed to quickly steal your money. I only recommend buying 6+ month old coins that have been repeatedly battle tested and have a culture of their own. That's pretty fucking funny, man. You can't ever ask. Yeah, we expect 2 to 3 hours from now. Yeah, I kind of fucked myself, man. I've set everybody up for like this long format crypto streamer. ETH. Total 3. Bitcoin. We're still pumpy as fuck, guys. This is awesome. We got 6 people watching. Thank you guys for tuning in. Don't forget that hit that like button. Appreciate you guys. Anybody in any trades right now? I'm up 14% on ADA. I kind of caught like the middle of this move. Should I take profit? I probably should. 36.48. It's not really any reason. Let's see. 36.50. I don't know, man. Let me do the fixed range volume profile. Okay. I'm not going to do that. I'm not going to waste all my fucking time doing that. Not for ADA. Yeah, we're in a good spot. I'm liking it. Offset, I've been at three trades for days. Let me guess. Chili's. ETH. And Bitcoin? Is it Chili's, ETH, and Bitcoin? I feel like you've mentioned them. I just don't remember. All right. Yeah, everything looks great right now. This is awesome. What a great Sunday stream. Woohoo! Drew said, "When moon?" We are currently mooning as we speak. When moon now? Hoff said, "Chili's, ETH, curve." That's right. That's right. I was wrong about Bitcoin. Why BTC resistance? Bitcoin resistance. Because I don't know. Actually, I really don't know. We did have this area up here, 64.1. It's probably resistance at 64. Honestly, psychological. Yeah, that's exactly what it is. Bitcoin's resistance psychological level of 64K. This meme coin is fucking funny. Which was, yeah, I guess it's just resistance. Maybe back here? Was resistance back here? Support. Broke it. Couldn't hold. Yeah. 64K resistance. Looks like a curve for puffs. Alright. 2.35% candle. Very nice. That's a Adam Eve double bottom. I like it. I like it a lot. Yeah. All right. Well. He said, "I don't know what to FOMO anymore." You gotta make that decision yourself, man. Come up. Why don't you make a list? Make a list of the coins that you feel like you would mentally be like okay with holding for a bull run, and then try to do pros and cons of holding them. Maybe the reasons why you think they're good holds, the reason why you think they might be bad holds, and then pick which ones you like best. Build bags based off of that. Hoff said, mind you, these trades have all been down except for Chili's. Very nice. I feel like Chili's got like fucking slaughtered during the bear market, so it makes sense for it to be in like a decent sized recovery for a longer period of time, because it's had a lot more downtime than everything else. Yeah, man, this looks good. 1, 2, 3. Giant wedge, maybe. Triple bottom. Could be inverse head and shoulders. Double bottom right here. I don't see why it doesn't go up. Unless something happens, but you know, they got that big like sports factor with football. Or soccer. I'm sorry. Soccer. You guys are gonna fucking butcher me for that, aren't you? That's gonna be my first controversy. Yeah, Bitcoin's got 64K resistance. We got 9 people watching, guys. Don't forget to hit that like button. I appreciate you. Bitcoin is chilling out now. Total 3 is pushing still. Like sustained push. I like that it says buy, like you can buy just every single coin. ETH, 2% candle. Sol, 2.36%, 2.39. Sol looks good. That's an inverse head and shoulders. Yeah. What do we got? We got 9 people watching, guys. 8 people watching. I don't see 8 likes. Bath shared this chart earlier. Shows all these different currencies weighed against Bitcoin. Pretty cool to see. How crazy would that be if this fractal like perfectly plays out? We are expecting, if that's the case, like 70K or higher by mid-October. Oh my gosh, we got 10 days, guys. 10 days till 70K Bitcoin. Let's see if that happens. That'd be fucking sick. I gotta make a post about this on Twitter just so I can brag about it if it does happen. I really like the structure that we got going on. We get a big decent pump, a little bit of a pullback, more pump, pullback, pump, pullback, pump. It's easy to make it sound super bullish when you boil it down to pullback pump. 15-minute. We're getting, is that a bull flag? That might be a bull flag. It might be a bull flag. A little bit oversold. That's okay. We'll be all right. Oh, I think I moved a line. That's bullish div, guys. How far back? Jeez. So like right here, price is going up. And RSI is going down. That was bullish div that played out. We got a big pumpy off that bullish div. Tether still shitting. Tether dominance. Hell yeah. People are rotating their tether into Bitcoin, or maybe even just other stables, because what was it? Coinbase is gonna remove support for Tether in the UK. How much money is in the UK though? You know? Wouldn't that be crazy if Tether just like became the next currency? I mean, they would have to weigh it against the U.S. dollar still, but you can kind of double your money with that. Because who's to say you can't spend? It's like fractional reserve banking. They just say, like, yes, we're holding on to all of this money, but they're spending it. And because you can spend Tether as well, you're basically just doubling the money. Got a trip you to think about. I'm going full Chico crypto, guys. Next thing I gotta do is have a feud with BitBoy, and then have nothing but really bad elementary school insults to throw at him. Bitcoin dominance. Getting a little dumpy. Like that. Yeah. Got a great weekend. Great weekend pump. Let's see. Drew said, when $3 Cadena. Bass said, it's a stablecoin metric bullish for higher prices. Oh, yeah. Drew said, I wrote Galaxy Gas is a very good... What? As Galaxy Gas, a very long email about how much I hate them. Really? Cadena. KDA. USDT. When $3 Cadena? I have no idea. I have no idea. Probably about as soon as everything else starts hitting all-time highs. When was this thing $3 before? Ooh, goodness. Has this thing just dumped since launch? That's kind of scary. Honestly, I could see it going crazy, though. It was $7 at one point? Wow. I don't know, man. I feel like everything's got potential. You just gotta know what you're investing in. If you look into the community and you believe in it, then buy. It's up to you. You decide. We like Bitcoin. We like Total 3. We like ETH. We like Sol. We like ADA. When moon, moon soon. All-time high was 28. For what? For Cadena? Oh my gosh. Fahid said it's over for the Bears. I don't know, man. I do not know. That'd be cool if it was, but they could always rear their ugly head at any time. I'm probably the worst person to ask for just a straight up bullish sentiment, because I'm really bad with choices. But it could be over. George Pampet. Cadena? Yeah. That doesn't surprise me. Alright, fellas. Well, it's 10 p.m. on a Sunday evening. We're still pumpy. I'm liking what I'm seeing. I don't see what's really coming next, honestly. If we just kept pumping, I would be very happy. We could be due for a little cool-off pullback. This is the 15-minute, though. I've seen the RSI go oversold the 15-minute for ages in the past. 4 hours still looks good. It's not quite oversold. Maybe a little cool-off. A little bit of resistance up here in the 64,000 area. Yeah, RSI is still good. In the past, it just kind of rode the top. Rode the top this entire... What is this? Last week? All last week, RSI in the 4 hour just rode the top. Let's go to the daily. Daily RSI looks great. It's crossing over. yeah, bullish right now. Unless you keep an eye on the geopolitical canvas, you know, make sure nothing crazy happens in the world that's gonna fuck our bags up. Just always be prepared. Don't ever over leverage. Don't ever spend more than you can afford to lose. Thank you guys for stopping by. The heats that I bought at $6 and sold at $22 for KDA last bull. That's fucking awesome, dude. That's the way you get it. That's the way to do it. Hell yeah. But I'm probably gonna sign off for the night unless something crazy starts to happen. Then I'll probably pop back on. So thank you guys for stopping by. Happy Sunday. I will see you all tomorrow. Peace.